Welcome to the online classes of Deepal School Joshipur. Today we will read about the SST of class 4. This is your book Prachi Excellence in Social Studies 4. Let us read about lesson 2 and today's subtopic is Sikkim and West Bengal. So in the previous class we studied about Uttarakhand and now just see about Sikkim and West Bengal. Sikkim is the small state and is located on high mountains and deep river valleys. So the people belong to three main tribes. So the people of Sikkim, they mainly belong to three main tribes. They are Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. So three types of people are tribes are living there: Lepcha, Bhutia and Nepali. And the dress is also different. Women wear boku and colorful jewelry made from beads. So they use only the jewelry which are made from beads, and they wear a dress or cloth, you can say, that is boku. And Sikkim is famous for orchids. So different orchidariums are there. Many orchidariums are there, for which Sikkim is famous. And their capital city is Gangtok. Similarly, in West Bengal, Darjeeling is a very popular hill station, and its beauty is many tea gardens. Okay, from where uh, good quality tea is supplied to various places of our country. And the main economic activity of the people is tea cultivation. So in Darjeeling, you can say their main cultivation is only tea cultivation. Main occupation is tea cultivation. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. So in this way, now let us see the northeastern states. So northeastern states, the northeastern part of India has 7 states. That is why they are also called as 7 sister states. So 7 states are there. That is why they are also called as 7 sister states. So just see, first is Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeast. So in northeast, Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state, and but it has very small population. Itanagar is the capital city, and Arunachal Pradesh, its capital city is Itanagar. People live in stilt houses. Stilt houses, you can see here is a picture. Stilt house picture is here. A house which stands on a what is called you can say frame of bamboo. Okay, which stands on the frame of a bamboo, of some one bamboo structure. So you just see the picture. One big bamboo structure is made, and then a house is built upon them. So in this way, people live in stilt house. They protect them from rain and wild animals. So to protect themselves from wild animals or rain, that is why they are building the houses like this. These stilt houses. One of the river which enters India through this state is, that is, Brahmaputra, and their main occupation in Manipur is farming and weaving. They also make beautiful articles from bamboo, cane, and leather. So in this way, these are their main occupations of the people of Manipur. So you can say they some goods items we get in the market, which are imported from these states. Some bamboo structures, cane and leather craft, which are very beautiful. And the people of this Manipur state, they make this one and they provide these things to us. The Manipuri dance is very popular. It is one of the most significant classical dance of India. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. So, capital of Manipur is Imphal, and there one of the famous dance of Manipur is, that is, Manipuri dance. In the same way, Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Another state from the 7 sister states, that is Meghalaya. Meghalaya means, Megha means cloud, Alaya means house or abode. So Meghalaya means abode of the clouds. And in Meghalaya, The Meghalaya is the only one state which gets the heaviest rainfall in the whole country of India. Some tribes who live there are Garo, Khasi, Jaintia tribes, and the crops they cultivate are rice, jute, potatoes, sugarcane, pineapples, oranges. These are the things which are cultivated by them, by the people of Meghalaya. You can say Shillong is their capital city. So the capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. The word Mizoram means land of the hilly people. Mizoram means the land of hilly people. Hilly people, the people those who live in the hills. That is why in this way Mizoram is named, and Aizawl is the capital city of the Mizoram state. Their main occupation is also agriculture. Most Mijos know how to read and write, so most of them read English. Okay, so these people are very talented also. They love to read English. In this way, we studied about the uh, four states from the seven sister states, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, and Mizoram. Another three states are there. We will read about them in the next class. So, thank you. This much for today.